Oh,
And
you've got to be kidding me.
what?
Ubiquiti switch arrived yesterday night. So I think when I released the video yesterday, it's the next day for you guys, whatever. It's here. And it's time to open it, get it set up because all my cameras are down, half the network is working, and I'm ready for something to work. So if you guys missed the previous video, essentially what happened is my 150 watt switch died, I believe due to heat or excessive heat, but some of you believe that maybe it died because of a bad power supply based off a lot of the comments I got in that last video. So what I'd like to do for this video is get the new 24 port switch installed. So we're going from 16 ports to 24 ports. We'll get this installed and then we'll do a little bit of investigation work to see if the power supply did in fact fail. And yes, Jason, I know I should switch brands, but I'm already all in with Unify, and until I have more problems, I'm gonna stick with Unify. So sorry, bud. All right. I honestly haven't even looked at any of the new. Well, I guess this isn't really new. I've only seen the Pro switches unboxed. I haven't seen, I guess, the non-Pro ones unboxed. So this is all new to me. I watch a lot of Mac Telecom Networks, and he unboxes, or maybe not unboxes, but he shows off a lot of the newer stuff. And but I haven't seen this one specifically from his channel. He may have done it, but I probably wasn't watching. So it looks like Ubiquiti hasn't really changed much with their packaging since I ordered my UDM Pro forever ago, so that's nice to see. Very simple, clean like always. It's definitely a Ubiquiti product. All right, our accessory box. Won't be needing this because we already have power run. Okay, simple, fair enough. Nothing too crazy. Oh, they included nuts and screws for rack mounting. I think they always do that. All right, I'm gonna get this thing assembled and then we'll get it racked and then we'll do our investigation. Where's my screwdriver? Come on. Time to go get the new switch installed. Okay, so of course, Ubiquiti would release their switch where all the PoE is actually to the left side and the non-PoE ports are to the right. And of course, my patch panel, I would have all my PoE to the right. So I have all these ugly cables that are going left and they're crisscrossing everywhere, blah, 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 blah. So we're going to have to replace this patch panel in the future. This is actually a punch down patch panel. And you guys warned me about using one of these because you never know when you might need to change things around. And gosh dang it, you're right. So I'll probably end up buying another one of these modular ones. And in a future video later, we will switch this out for a modular one. So thank you, Ubiquiti, for adding another cost to my network. And Jason, I hate you. I think Jason and Jay, and a few other people suggested that I take this thing apart and actually see if the power supply is dead on it or if the entire unit's dead. So I believe the method to do this is actually by unplugging the power supply from the rest of the unit itself, the actual parts that do the work, and then plugging the power supply in and seeing what happens. So if we hear a really bad noise, essentially, or a really gross noise, we'll know that it's the power supply that's dead. And by noise, I mean whining noise, kind of like my voice. Is that all the screws? Oh, okay. I removed those needlessly. Oh, there's screws on the bottom. Okay. Wow, look how beat up this thing is. It's all scratched up from years and years of being added or removed from all the moving that we've done. It survived, what, 4 state moves? 3 or 4 state moves?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's get this, or, well, I shouldn't say let's get it. I've got it removed basically now. Okay, maybe it was easier on its back. I don't know. What am I stuck on? Alright, this is my first time opening one of these things. It is, it smells clean. It smells new. So this is just an LED controller and this is the power. So we're just going to remove this and we shouldn't get any power to the rest of the components here. It should be strictly to the switch. Let's hopefully not shock ourselves and let's see how gross of a noise this is. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's like a beep, 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 beep. It's like a little coil whine noise. I don't see any flashing lights or anything. So, yeah, Jason, I think you're right, man. I think it might just be a dead power supply. The rest of this unit actually might be functioning. To me, that sounds like a bad power supply. So it's probably a bad idea, but I'm going to plug it in while it's actually powered on just to see what happens. Okay, I don't think we're getting any power. The fans didn't kick on. I don't see any sort of indicator lights at all on the board or from the LED towards the front. Yeah, I think the power supply is dead. So I don't know if the power supply being dead is a symptom of all the excess heat in the closet or if it just went bad on its own. Now, you know, Jason's reminded me constantly that, when I say Jason, I mean the guy from Jason's lab. He's reminded me constantly that the Ubiquiti products are not top tier quality and the warranties are bad and yada, yada, yada. This is the first problem I've ever had with them. I think their stuff is built pretty okay. I mean, nothing's perfect, right? But I don't know. Maybe I should just get a replacement power supply and see if we can get this thing to boot up in the future. But anyway, I think that's the end of this video from here. I don't know what else to talk about. It was just a really simple video of us switching out switches. I need to get this thing adopted and added to the network, and that's it, and then I'll be done. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see all of you next time. Peace. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. So all of the power over Ethernet ports are on the far left. All of my power over Ethernet devices are on the far right.
Turn
want to. Yeah, Ubiquiti. Why do you guys always do this? It's gonna be ugly now.